Mhm. Hey guys, welcome to Ducos Copy Weekly Outlook on Risk and Commodity Pairs. New month, new week, and June 1st. Just make sure that you read the disclaimer. And now it is Monday, so it is a weekly outlook. And what data to see right now, what data to watch out for in the current week. So I'll just mention that. So it is right now. Data is not affecting much, and right now, whatever is happening, and everybody is surprised why stock market is going up, why it is a risk on rally, and the answer is first thing is government stimulus that is being provided to people and the companies. That is really affecting the market right now. And still till July, people are getting $600 for in US at least, and people are getting $600 per month check, and they are spending money in Amazon and Walmart, and that consumer spending is still there. It is not right, and that's what the market is taking into effect, and the stock market is going up. So let's see. It cannot go up all the time. So let's see what is happening and what economic data to watch out for in current week. So first thing is manufacturing PMI from China, and CNY is just weakening right now. That offshore Chinese yuan, that is weakening, and that is just giving some signals like market is, and then this tension between US and China. But still, China manufacturing, China is open, and they are manufacturing PMIs, and all PMIs that is above 50, so it is not contracting, but rest of the world is not that comfortable. Then today we have US ISM manufacturing that is scheduled, and tomorrow RBI interest rate decision is there. Then GDP on Wednesday, Euro German unemployment rate, Eurozone unemployment rate, ADP unemployment rate, USD, and USD ISM non-manufacturing PMI. So it seems Wednesday is very important for this week, and there are lots of data, and of course there are three interest rate decisions for the week. So CAD interest rate decision is also on Wednesday. So let's see what is going on, and it seems like two central bankers right now from UK also that has been changed, and from Canada also new central banker has new head of central bank is appointed. So let's see what is in store for this week. So I'll just come to that later. Let me just finish economic data. And if you have any questions in between, so I'll be happy to answer that. So it is live webinar. So anytime you have any questions on anything, you can ask me. So on Thursday, ECB interest rate decision, USD initial jobless claims, and Euro ECB monetary policy statement and press conference. That is all scheduled on June 4th, Thursday. To close out the week, USD non-farm payrolls and CAD employment data. So it seems there are a lot of things in the market right now going on. And as I said, right now, world is opening. Still, virus situation is not that good, but still, we cannot and world cannot close the world because of virus. So everything right now medical facilities are running around the clock, and everything is taken care of. But if world is in lockdown status, so economic impact of that will be more, much more, and more people will die because of this starvation and because out of the job. So for 2020, IMF is projecting that GDP will be in contraction in 2020, but will be growing in 2021. So it seems the market is right now hopeful for that. But whatever contraction is there in 2021, so almost it will not be at par with 2019. But still, market is hopeful, and right now the stock market is going up. Australian USD is going up. So it is a risk on rally. In fact, and right now, geopolitical issues, Hong Kong, US, China, and civil unrest in US, that could weigh on the market. And Brexit deadline lingers. So that's what we have to watch out for in this week. So there are many things. Right now, it is confusing. And but the thing is, USD, US stock market is still going up. Australian Japanese, after going above this level, EMA 34, right now, this has crossed 7120 I was mentioning on Friday. So right now, this week, the last week it was 7128, 7120 around. And this week, right now, that level is right now at around 7135. So it is a good thing for Australian Japanese that it closed above this level, and that's what we see. If weekly closes there, so Australian Japanese was supposed to go on the upside. So that's what I mentioned on Friday. And right now, if it is going up, so next target, it can go till 74.70. So it does mean that it can fail anywhere between these. But right now, you have to buy it, not sell it. The immediate momentum is on the upside. You can see on the OSMA, and risk is right now. Everything is pointing like it is a risk on market right now. If you see bond prices again, it is for the day. It tried to go above after market opened, and US 500, that S&P went till 3010, but after that market again took off, that shrugged off all the things which has happened, which is just pushing some shorts to open, but still market is wiping out all the shorts till now, and still US 500 is still about 200-day moving average. And if this is the case, this is a V-shaped recovery, or Nike shoes recovery. So that is one pattern also, Nike shoes. So let's see what happens in the market, but still it is very, very critical. And right now, market is not giving any hint if this coronavirus rally is stopping anytime soon. So till now, till today, Monday, it is not even giving. So this S&P has gone till 3010. It opened around 3029, and after that it went till 3010. Again, it is bouncing off, and then again some news came from China that they are not purchasing soya bean as they have promised for a trade deal. So let's look at risk right now. So the fourth indicator is your gold. Gold is still above 1732, and if if everybody is printing money, so that QE is in effect. So gold will be more attractive. If QE is in effect, then there will be inflation, and consumer spending is not coming down right now because of this government is providing $600. US government is providing $600 till uh, July. So till then, that is what government always does, and they don't want this consumer spending to slow down. So all in all, right now, still risk on rally is going on, and don't bet on uh, like uh, top, picking the top in Australian Japanese right now. If you see, let me just see on 4 hours and daily, you can see right now. EMA 89 is at around 77.07, and this is just 15 pip. So within this week, this EMA 34 will go above EMA 89. And in any case, right now, if it is going up, then it is very, very bullish for Australia and Japan. And it will be like earlier low that has been crossed, that was 70. And right now, it won't go below this level, EMA 89 and EMA 34. So that is what you have to be aware of. So for hours chart, let me see. So still, I would say buy Australian Japanese on if it is coming down. If it is coming down to 71.35, so it is a very good development for Australian Japanese that it has crossed above 71.30 level last week, and it closed above that. So that's why we see rally in Australian Japanese today. Let's see on Euro Japanese. So Euro Japanese also I was mentioning that it is bullish about EMA 34. So last week that level was 119. That was weekly level 119.10. And if you remember last to last week, it was going to 119 and it was selling off, just mildly selling off. But for the week, right now, this OSMA is right now going up. So it does mean, although on weekly we can see it is bearish from 121.85. So it has chances if it can cross 120.50 on the upside, then a new rally will start. But OSMA is already saying that it is upside. So currencies can retrace up till 23.6%, and then this move will negate this move. Down move will not be there on weekly. So I'm expecting it can still go to 120.50, and on daily also the target is 120.48. So support is at around 118.52, and target for Euro Japanese is still 120.48. So still it is bullish. The stock market is bullish, and GBP Japanese right now again it is just flip flopping, and right now on weekly you can see these Heiken-Ashi candles that is green, and that's why right now the move is from 124.17 to 135.74. That is this move. Otherwise, if it is red, then this will be moved from here to here. But on weekly, we cannot sell GBP Japanese also at this point. But right now, if you want to buy Australian Japanese is the best bet. So don't get worried for 2 months. This rally is going on and it will go on. So don't get fooled by that. And tomorrow market is expecting that Australia will hold the this interest rate, and still Australia is not providing any QE, and that is positive for Australian dollar for now. GBP Japanese on daily, this is also going up 129.15, and on Friday it was closing above this level 132.50, and right now it may go to EMA 89, but still I wouldn't prefer GBP Japanese long because it has never crossed this level EMA 89. And if you see Euro Japanese, because of Brexit, and even on daily, if you see the chart, Euro Japanese EMA 89 has been crossed, but GBP Japanese it has never been crossed. So that is one thing you have to keep track of. If you like, don't go for GBP Japanese long right now. If you want to go long, that will be um, Australian Japanese. So from Australia, we have Australian interest rate and then Australian GDP that is on Wednesday. So right now market has something, and Australian dollar. So my target was on Thursday, I was giving this target for Australian dollar. And this was 67.60. I was trying for 4 days at around 66.60, and that level was 200-day moving average. And today's move, market was encouraged by Australian Japanese closing above uh, 89 EMA, and that's what we see right now. Australian Japanese and Australian pair are going up. GBP Japanese is still, it is bullish about 32.50. Mm, okay, now Australian USD on weekly if we see, and right now if it has gone above 200-day moving average, that is around 66.60. So going above that level does mean that it is very, very bullish. It won't come down below that. And that's the truth. So if you are holding your shorts here in Australian Japanese, don't short it. Don't short Australian USD. My target for Australian USD is 1.0 by 2021. And one of the reason is that QE is provided by US and then Europe. And in this scenario, Australian USD is quite attractive. And I'm taking the reference of 2008, 2009. So I was trading at that time Australian USD. So if you remember, in the summers of the same time, Australian USD was just going up and up. So you can check the chart on 60, Australian USD in 2009. And I was wondering, I was not that experienced. And Australian USD was just going up and up. So the same kind of scenario is right now is happening, and Australian USD is just going up and up. So don't get don't open shorts on Australian USD if it has gone above this level EMA 89.67.60. Then next target is 0.6851. This target is achieved, and it went till 0.6772, and after that It is just after this China news came, and it is just trying, and it is still above 67. Okay, so GBP USD, that is bullish, Euro Japanese bullish, GBP Japanese bullish, Australian USD bullish, and USD CAD right now is not that bullish. So it after it broke below this 137.23, it is not giving much pips in USD CAD right now. So one of the reasons can be USD is weak, and this CAD is also North American currency, and that's why CAD is also weak. Let me just see Euro AUD. So I was discussing Euro Australian dollar. So why I'm just seeing this as the Euro AUD, because on weekly it is still going down and momentum is very very strong, and it seems like this level 1.6320 will not hold. And one of the thing people do, and I also do, to find the bottom or find the top. So in Euro Australian dollar, right now, if you see, you cannot buy it. So if you are lucky, then you can get some pips. But the momentum is on the downside. EMA 34 is below EMA 89, and right now, even if on weekly it is saying 163 is the target, and it can take support there, but it is not sure right now. And if momentum is on the downside, so you shouldn't fight the trend, and that is down. And on weekly also, if you can see, OSMA is going down, so you shouldn't be buying this. So if it is coming to 169, you should be selling it. I don't think it will be going above 1.69 in current year, because I'm very, very bullish on Australian dollar on various factors. Fundamental things are also there. And then right now, technicals also are saying if it is coming to this level 1.69, 1.67 on 1.6733 level, if it is coming to that level, where is it? 1.67 right now. That is Euro AUD. So 1.68, I don't think it will be going above that. Let's see USD CHF, and I know USD CHF is also not giving much. So we could have expected like Euro USD is going up, and then USD CHF will go down. But right now, what is happening because of this PEP, like this PEP fund 750 billion uh, euro, that is taking effect, and Euro USD is going up, and Euro CHF is also going up. So that is one thing you have to remember. And Euro USD, if it can break about 111.60, so it can run to 115 also. So let's see what ECB does this week, and that will be deciding factor for Euro USD and USD CHF. But right now, US index, dollar index, Let me take a look at dollar index, and dollar index is there. And dollar index is right now at 98.12. So, and momentum is on the downside. So it means Euro USD can just roam around 111, and USD CHF can roam around just here, and still USD Euro USD is still a buy, and it is not showing any topping pattern, but it is selling off from 111.60. So that is what it is about Euro USD and other pairs right now. And just 2 minutes more. If you have any questions, please let me know. Let's see this Euro CHF. It is still bullish, 101.0621. CHF Japanese is going up, and it is still bullish above 111.22. Japanese outperformer, and US 500. This is trying to go over 3060. Let's see if that happens. So that's all for the day. Japanese, let me just see. USA 30. So USA 30, where it can go. Dow Jones is also very bullish right now. And Dow Jones 4 hours, it is taking support, and it's still it is taking support about 25,000. And I know it is on weekly, it is testing resistance. So let's see where it goes. So that's all for the day. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow with daily outlook. So till then, just take care and be fine. Thank you. Bye bye.